Hi, I'm Rocco Beatrice, Managing Director for Estate Street Partners. One of the questions that I usually get asked is, Rocco, how do I hide my assets? Or it's one of the most searched words on our Ultra Trust website. Well, how you hide assets is not to hide them all. You know, the old saying goes, if you want to hide something, hide them in plain view. So how do the rich, how do the wealthy disguise their assets? Well, they use legal entities, corporations, partnerships, limited liability companies. But the most effective way that I have found to protect your assets, to hide your assets in plain sight, is the utilization of an irrevocable trust with an independent trustee. You establish a legal entity that is affirmed by law, created by law, supported by law, that once you reposition your assets from yourself to the trust, it becomes property of the trust. In order for somebody to figure out what it is that you own, they have to know exactly where the money is. And a trust, an irrevocable trust, usually has an independent trustee, not related by blood or marriage to the grantors, the people that have the money they're going to reposition. So when they do a search, they have to know exactly what it is that they're searching for. So hiding your money in plain sight is done through an irrevocable trust with an independent trustee. And we have added the trust protector because a lot of times we get asked the question, well, Rocco, the trustee has so much power. You know, how do we mitigate that? So we created the position of the trust protector. The job of the trust protector is by the contractual obligation created by the trust agreement. It basically is there to protect against the possibility of the trustee malfunctioning. You know, one of the questions I usually get is, what happens if the trustee runs away with my money? Well, there will be a breach of fiduciary duty. Courts don't like that kind of stuff, and it becomes a criminal event. This is Rocco Beatrice. Thank you.